Hello everyone friends. On the Wireless channel today I will show you how to make an automatic table of contents for your document, dissertation, diploma, in general a document in Word. I will show you the example of these 3 pages because the whole meaning can be put here. In general, select our table of contents on the desired page and select here respectively our table of contents. Well, I will choose, let's say, 2 main ones. Yes, there is also a table of contents on 2 pages. Next, I go to the references and choose there, yes, either the first page or the last as you want. And select the content table here and select the automatic table. Yes, here, that's what you want. But we need it automatically. So, as you can see, our tables of contents are immediately pulled here. In addition, you can make an additional second table of contents under the table of contents. That is, I select the desired text, select the Home button, and put the title too. That's it. And accordingly, I click on the Update Plate button. That's it. And as you can see, we have created additional ones, an additional section under the main one. They are also numbered here. That's all. With you was like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.